Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech. Today, day number 26 of DAX functions, which is 26th day we are dealing with the Power BI DAX functions. Previously, we have discussed 25 days about DAX functions, which includes what are the top 8 DAX functions used in Power BI in the real world, and including that is containing of subsets, which is including date and time function, text functions, informative functions, logical functions, and currently we are dealing with the fifth one, which is parent and child DAX functions, in which we have already dealt path function, path item function, path item reverse function, path length function. And today we are going to deal with the last and final function, very important DAX function, parent child function, which is path contains function. In this video, we are going to discuss detail about path contains function. I request everyone to not skip the video, watch it completely so that you will not miss any piece of information discussed in this video. And if you're watching our channel for the first time and if you have not watched what are the previously discussed DAX videos, not to worry, we have provided the playlist link in the description box. You can go ahead and watch it on your free time and your convenient time as well. And if you're interested, okay, this video is giving me more information and you want to follow us, please feel free to hit the subscribe button and enable the bell icon so that we are uploading the videos, you will not miss any videos as well. If you are feeling somewhere we are missing to explain the concept very clearly, or if you're having any query in our video or previous videos, please do post your queries in the comment box, and we have provided our WhatsApp details as well. And if you're interested, you can join our WhatsApp community also. So let's start with the today's discussion of path content function. Let's start with it. So we have discussed about path, path item reverse, and path item length function. Today we are going to discuss about the path contains function. So I'm creating a new column. So I'm going to name it as path contains, which is equal to path contains. You can see it is clearly showing that returns true if the specified items exist within the specified path, which means ideally it is used to check the particular item or the value which you are going to give or search in that particular path is available or not. We'll get the result in a binary value which is true or false, right? So I'm going to give the path. So path we have already discussed and also we have already described. So I'm using the same path. I'm not going to create anything. I'm just, reusing the existing value and items. So here I'm going to search Tony. Close the bracket and hit enter. The value is created. I'm just putting it into dragging and putting it to our table. You can see we have the value as true everywhere. Suppose if I want to change this value to, let's say, for Kohli, and hit enter, you can see our very first value is become false. Why this? Why? Because we don't have the path value which is having the name of Kohli. This is how the path contains function works, and we have provided the syntax in our description box, and we have written a little bit clear explanation in our blog page as well. So blog page link also provided in our description box. You can go ahead and read it as well. Hope you have understood this video clearly. If you have any queries, please feel free to reach out us. We'll help you as soon as possible. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from Google Tech. Thank you. Jai Hind.